Hi guys. So today I'm going to be doing another IQ test on you. And I apologize for any background noise, like that's really severe because this microphone picks up on background noise like no other. It's my Blue Yeti, but I wanted to use it because I think the sounds are very, very, very good. So yeah, but let's get into the IQ test. There are only 6 questions. I apologize if there are any errors in the questions because I get these off of Google. I do not think of them myself, so if there are any errors, I'm super sorry. I do not check them before I do them. I should, but I also don't know where to check them because my brain is probably not better than Google. So anyway, without further ado, let's start the IQ test. So, first question, you have kind of a sequence of events happening here, and you need to figure out which of these would go here. I also might have messed this one up a little bit, but I'll explain it when I tell you the answer. But yeah, just pick the best fit answer you think would be for this. I will let you take a look. First, I'll let you take a look at the boxes. Take a look. Alright, now just make sure you look at the answers. See which one you think would be best. Alright, do you have your answer? Tell me in 3, 2, 1. Well, the answer that I had for this question was C. And the reason I say that I messed it up is because I'm pretty sure this is supposed to be at the bottom. I feel like I mixed it up. But if you understand what I mean, or maybe it's not that. No, I don't know. Wait, no, because these are like, you see how like they're going that way? They're in these corners, but then they're in these corners on the box next to it, and then these two are in these corners, and then they're in these corners. I don't know if what I'm saying is making sense. If you think that this is wrong, please let me know in the comments. But yeah, alright, off to a great start. Okay, so the second question is, Johnny's father has 5 sons, and then these are the names of the sons. What is the 5th son's name? We have Zays, Z's, Zais, and Zos. I hope I'm saying that right, even though I don't think those are real names, but want to be right here. Do you think that you know? Do you think that you know? Well, I'll let you know the answer. It is Johnny. This one is probably so easy that like you're like, what is even the question? But I just thought it was kind of like a funny brain teaser. Anyway, okay. Question 3. Find the F's. And I will tell you that there are 4 total. 4 total, and I will let you know where they are after you are done telling me where they are. Alrighty. So the first one is in the first row right here. The second one in the second row right here. The third one is in the third row right here. Fourth row is empty. Fifth row has this one. And if you thought that there were 5 because of this, there's just like a little splotch. It was supposed to be another E. I'm sorry about that. But I will take no points off if you thought that was another E. I mean another F. But as you can see, there's kind of like a little splotch mark. A lot of errors today. But that's okay, that's okay. Alright. Next page. In what order will you see the colors from the top view? From the top view, from the top view. So as you can see, we have 5 colors here. And if you could just tell me which of these it would look like if you looked at it from the top. What would it look like if you looked at it from the top, from the top, from the top, from the top, from the top? Do you think you have your answer? Do you think you have your answer in? Well, I will tell you the answer. It was E, because if you look at it from this view, the top, it would go, the red would be the outside, the purple would be the inside, so E is the correct answer. E is the correct answer. Alright, fifth question. Unscramble the words and find the odd one out. So when I was actually doing this one, because I like to try to do the IQ questions myself just to see if I can do them. In this one, I got a little bit stumped, not on the unscrambling part, but on the odd one out, because it's kind of like random. But take a good look. This one kind of has 2 steps. Oops, sorry. This one kind of has 2 steps. You first have to unscramble, and then you have to figure out which one's the odd one out. So kind of 2 part, 2 part, 2 part, 2 part. Question number 5. Alright. Do you think you got it? Do you think you got it? Do you think you got it? Well, this word right here, unscrambled, is bacon. This word here, unscrambled, is cupcake. And this word right here, unscrambled, is love. Love, love, love. And the odd one out is bacon. And this is because cupcake and love both end with an E. I was a little bit confused because I was thinking love was the odd one out, because bacon and cupcakes are both like food. So if you did that, it's okay. I did it too. But if you didn't do that, then you're definitely a lot smarter than me. Alright, question 6. If 2 equals 6, 3 equals 12, 4 equals 20, 5 equals 30, and 6 equals 42, what does 9 equal? This one's a more mathy question. Haven't had one like this yet. Like this yet today. Oh, sorry about that. I remember a video that, oh my gosh, guys, I was looking through my subscribers the other day, and you can like choose to look at your subscribers from like who has the highest subscriber count, like, you know, and I hit that and it literally says GB ASMR follows me. Now, I don't know if she watches my videos, but she follows me, and that's insane because she literally has 5 million followers. And I was like flabbergasted. I was literally fangirling because I love her ASMR. That one, I think she made a movie about Shrek, but like ASMR version. Like, genius, genuinely. She has so many videos, and she's been doing it for such a long time. It's very inspirational. But yeah, she follows me, which is insane. Anyway, I think that you've had enough time on this question. But, so here is the logic behind it. 9 would equal 90, because 2 times 3 equals 6. 3 times 4 equals, what does that say, 12? 4 times 5 equals 20. 5 times 6 equals 30. And 6 times 7 equals 42. Which means that 9 times a number higher than it, which is 10, it would be 90. So, yeah, it's just kind of like going up the ladder. But yeah, that is it for today's IQ test. I hope that you did amazing, and I hope that this relaxed you, and I'm glad to be back and posting again for you guys. So, yeah, I love you so much,